Change bank account in TikTok shop. Today we are going to learn how to change bank account in TikTok shop. So let's get started. Number 1, open TikTok shop, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Number 2, go to TikTok shop, navigate to the TikTok shop section within the mobile. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile icon and then looking for a shopping bag icon or directly accessing the shop feature from the discover page. Number 3, access payment settings. Look for the settings or payment option within the TikTok shop. This may be represented by a gear icon or something similar. Number 4, add or change bank account. Once you are in the payment settings, you should see an option to add or change your bank account information. Tap on this option. Number 5, enter new bank account information. Follow the prompts to enter the details of your new bank account. This typically includes the bank account holder's name, account number, routing number, and any other necessary information. Number 6, save changes. After entering the new bank account information, make sure to save your changes. This might involve tapping a save or done button. That's how you can simply transfer or change bank account in TikTok shop.